President Draupadi Murmu has revoked a proclamation issued earlier under Article 356 of the Indian Constitution, which imposed President's rule in the state of Manipur. According to a notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs and published in the Gazette of India Extraordinary, the proclamation issued on 13 February 2025 has been revoked with effect from 4 February 2026. The order was issued by President of India Draupadi Murmu in exercise of the powers conferred under Clause 2 of Article 356 of the Constitution. The notification dated February 4, 2026 was issued from New Delhi and published for general information. It was signed by the President with Govind Mohan, Home Secretary, listed in the notification. This proclamation paves the way for formation of popular government with Yamnam Khemchand set to taking oath as Chief Minister today.